I will start off by showing a simple practical application of the solution that was developed and comparing it to the legacy system in place. Both systems have three core steps as highlighted in the practical application. One of the student requesting permission to leave, one of a teacher accepting this permission, and third of showing this approved permission to security guard before leaving campus. While both systems serve the same functionality, the new system is completely automated and much more efficient and hence faster, while the legacy system needs human intervention at each step to proceed. For the sake of the video, the exit slip process has been condensed to showcase it. A normal exit slip process on the legacy system takes around 15 minutes. Here it's highlighted in 1 minute. Now that the practical application of the solution is clear and has been shown, I'll be going over in detail how the application works and giving you a full demo. Let me start out by the student filling out a request to leave early. The current screen is the default state of the solution, which can be changed by choosing an enrollment number. So I'll be filling out my enroll number. As seen, the solution autofills all the required information once my enrollment number is filled, so that this information doesn't need to be filled each time. If I try to submit the form without filling out a reason, the solution throws an error. This is one of many validation checks built into the solution. If I submit with a valid reason, it gives me a prompt saying the request has been submitted to my teacher. There's another state to this application, which is when an enrollment number doesn't exist in the database. The solution is built in this way because for privacy reasons, the school is not willing to give me a database of all the information of all the students, which is very understandable. So the system takes the data and stores it in the database the first time you use the system, and each consecutive time you don't have to re-enter your data. So if I reload the page and I choose the not found option, you'll see this, where it gives me a clear box to fill out all my information, and I can fill out my information and press submit. If I don't fill out one of the fields, it'll prompt me to fill out one of the fields, which is also a validation check. I have clearly highlighted the main functionalities of this page, showing both states and the essential validation checks to make sure this works. Here the solution meets both success criterion 1 and 2. Now I will showcase how the solution works for the teachers and how easy and simple it is for them to accept or deny a student's request. First, they receive an email from the solution with the student's name, their reason for leaving early, and a link to accept or deny their request. When a teacher clicks on this link, it opens a simple web page where the teacher can accept or deny, and the design doesn't allow for any ambiguity or confusion and is very straightforward. The solution meets success criteria 4 by allowing the teacher to choose at their own discretion whether to accept or deny the request. First, I will highlight what happens if a teacher chooses to accept a request. So the solution is able to clearly inform the student and the transform department about the teacher's authorization. This proves the solution completes success criteria 5 part A. This shows how the solution reacts if the teacher decides to deny a request. Here the solution notifies the student of the teacher's decision and updates the database with the same. This covers success criterion 5 part B. So far I've highlighted the key features and functionalities of the solution, showcasing various validation checks, how it handles the success criteria. Now I would like to touch base on the scalable architecture used in the solution and how easily it can be extended in the future and how it can be controlled. One of the tools used to make this solution scalable, and easy to modify and extend in the future. It's called PHP Environment, which is an open source tool, open source database management tool, which allows system administrators to easily access the database with a graphical user interface. Looking at PHP environment, we can also tell that the database itself is designed and structured in an easily scalable manner. This solution uses Node.js as its backend architecture. Node.js is a framework built for JavaScript which is designed to be asynchronous. This asynchronous nature allows it to be extremely scalable, especially for web applications. It allows it to handle multiple HTTPS requests with ease, which allows this solution to be scaled for multiple users very easily. Furthermore, the object-oriented approach used by the solution allows addition of new stakeholders in the future extremely easily. It also allows for easier addition of new features for students or teachers.